If you use Firefox on Windows 11, you might want to turn automatic spell check on so it catches typing mistakes as you write, or turn it off if you prefer a cleaner, distraction-free experience. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable or disable Firefox automatic spell check in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your Windows 11 PC. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button. This is the three-line icon that opens Firefox's main options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox Settings page, where you can change your browser preferences. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand side and click Language. This section contains language and spelling options for Firefox. Now scroll down until you find the Spell Check section. This is where Firefox controls whether it checks your spelling automatically as you type. If you want to enable Spell Check, look for the option that says Check your spelling as you type and tick the box. As soon as you do that, Firefox will start underlining misspelled words while you type in supported text fields. If you want to disable spell check instead, simply untick Check your spelling as you type. Firefox will stop showing spelling suggestions and underlines as you type. That's all there is to it. The change happens immediately, so you don't need to restart the browser or save anything extra. This is a really useful setting if you write emails, comments, forms, or notes in Firefox and want to catch mistakes faster. And if you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same language and spell check settings anytime and switch it on or off again. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Windows 11 and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.